Hello, my name is Metin Arıdaşır. This is 60-second part of explanation of my theory. Electron exceeds the speed of light. Arıdaşır's variable light velocities versus electron velocity graph. According to my theory and my formulas, 1. Electron motion forms are unique light wave sources in our universes. 2. If we make accelerate the electron motion form, its total energy, mass, momentum, and its frequency don't change. They are constant. Arıdaşır's law. Constancy of total energy, mass, momentum, and frequency of electron motion form. External effects cannot increase or decrease of electrons' total energy, mass, momentum, and electrons' frequency, except making adiabatic medium of electrons shrink or enlarge. 3. Successive light waves, velocities, and wavelengths are variables, depending on their electron motion sources, velocity, motion direction, and orientation. Remember from my former videos, yes, light wave velocity d equal to successive waves velocity for in motion electron motion form d equal to c minus delta. C minus electron motion form's velocity cosine alpha. Okay. And for in motion electron motion forms successive waves wavelengths, lambda alpha is equal to lambda normal minus delta lambda cosine alpha. And if cosine alpha, if in the direction of motion, electron motion is 0 degree. If it is 0 degree here, I have computed these sketches and explanations relates to 0 degree direction. Okay, C minus electron motion from n delta lambda. In the direction of 0 degree, wave velocity d equal to c minus electron motion form's velocity in the direction of 0 degree, in the direction of electron motion from lambda alpha is equal to lambda n minus delta lambda. Don't forget this. Okay, I don't want to confuse your mind now. Yes. If we want to make a graph, say electron velocity versus wave velocity, or electron velocity versus wavelength, lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha, by measuring the wavelengths and their energies, and if you want to determine electron velocities, there must be successive waves and there must be wavelengths between them. Yes, there must be successive waves. Okay. Successive waves. If electron motion form exceeds the speed of light, yes, this is possible according to my theory and my formulas. But that time there will no wavelength successive wave velocities because of this shape will occur. This is electron motion form exceeding speed of light like jets. Okay, no successive waves, especially in the direction of motion. Here, no successive waves. Okay, this is electron motion form, but no successive waves because of it exceeds the speed of light. If it exceeds the speed of light, according to my theory and my formulas here, if exceeds velocity c minus zero, meaningless, okay? We cannot measure energy, we cannot measure electron motion forms, lambda n minus delta lambda, okay? Because of delta will be greater than lambda normal. Yes. If the electron exceeds the speed of light, according to my energy formulas, there will not be lambda n minus delta lambda, or there will not be lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha. There will not be wavelength between successive waves, and there will not be corresponding energy of it to measure. Therefore, this graph, that nothing to do with my theory and my graph, which is used in accepted physics here, as proof of the nothing can exceed the speed of light idea. Here, in accepted physics, okay, here electron motion forms, no, they say electron. Here, electrons velocity squared versus energy, okay, and measured like this, okay, not like this, okay. But now I said why it's now just I said it's reason, okay. This graph is not proof that the idea of nothing can exceed the speed of light. Yes, the electron motion form can exceed the speed of light. Maybe we can exceed the speed of light, but you know, MR, spins, magnetic effects come in and come out, and something changing, we don't know. We may exceed the speed of light but then we don't know what will happen. But I know that electron can exceed the speed of light. Yes. Here, according to my theory and my formulas, electron motion forms velocity versus its successive waves velocity, like this, okay, through the sea, okay, I hope you see. Inverse proportional, inversely proportional. Then, electron motion forms velocity versus lambda n minus delta lambda, like this, okay, according to my theory and my formulas here. These differ from relativistic theory and relativistic theoretical computings. These are my theoretical and my formula results. Figures and results are different relatively to relativistic theory. Here, this side is my area, this side is relativistic theory area. According to my theory, electron velocity here through the C and 10 keV equal distances. 10 keV, 20 keV, 30 keV multiplied by, if you multiply by E charge, you will find energy. Say energy. If you multiply it by E. Scale, same scale. Here, through the C, like this. Like this. Say energy, electron velocity, according to my theory and my formulas. And here, according to relativistic theory, figure results are not same. But there is similarity between my theoretical result and relativistic theory's result. Okay. Electrons velocity square through the C and its energy cannot exceed C, okay? Cannot exceed C. Because of, I have just told its reason. If electron motion form exceeds the speed of light, there will not be successive waves, especially in the direction of motion. There will not be wavelengths between two successive waves, and there will not corresponding these wavelengths corresponding energies. We cannot plot, but this doesn't mean electron cannot exceed the speed of light. No. According to my theory and my formulas, electron can exceed the speed of light, and I'm sure electron motion form exceeds the speed of light. You remember neutrinos? No mass? Maybe neutrinos exceed the speed of light then, because of they have no successive waves, because of becoming jets, you know, jets like this. Okay. because of jets, there is no mass, no wave, successive waves, no wavelengths to measure, neither wavelengths nor corresponding energies, neither their wavelength nor their masses. Yes. Good evening. See you later.